Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to download eSign on your Apple device. So first thing first, open your browser, then in the search bar typing eSign iOS and go search right here. Then after that scroll down a little bit until you find that link right here. So click on that, then scroll down until you find introduction. Click on website. After that, you'll see IPA button, so just click on that. And after that, you will download eSign. So click download. And that's all. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.